OMG! What the hell am I? The teleporter worked, and now I'm in the area of nothingness. Hey, I teleported, but where is Blip? I'm here, okay? It's huge. Shut your face. Seriously, though. We got teleported all the way off Belly's home, and now we're outside. We are currently off Belly's home. A slice is home. Of course! I could finally use that. We could use that so we could get to the other way, and it was controlling the darkness. Okay. We got to be very cautious. Okay, you can settle my back so we can combine into a huge attack. Okay, now we're gonna go get our guns. We gotta take this and this. Let's fuse ourselves. Let's fuse ourselves. Let's go fuse our bodies so we can combine into more combinations. Now, here's full of water. And here's the wrenches that we need to repair our damage. We gotta take this and this. We can't go without the shark. Up there by the room, by the tree. We got to be caution. Also, be dead. We'll be dead, and well, that's the end of us. Oh, hang on, Blim. Oh, we did it. Quick, fire the water gun. Okay. Here, it's clear. Let's drive. We got to find a way to stop the darkness. Look, the sky is so clear. I don't know, Bolts. I know you want to do it. I know, Bolts. Okay, let's turn around. Let's just keep this sign out. We finally, we made it to Kipbex's castle. What? You mean Bolts and Blip are coming to defeat us? Just so they can rid the bad weathers? Yeah. Oh no, they're coming! Quick, shout out the security guns! We're gonna defeat them so we can rust them. Okay, listen, Bolts. Yes, we got to destroy all the security guns. So we'll be shooting at water, or else we'll be rusted, and then our paints will disappear, and all the parts will be rusted, and then we'll be fully rusted, so we can lay here forever in the rain, and the snow, and the wind. Oh no, we got to stop these guns. Uh-oh, they're shooting up the security guns. Let's shoot at them. To be continued.